Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is Richard Reviews Children's Books. I am Richard, and today I have for you Math All Around, Sorting at the Ocean by Jennifer Rosens-Roy and Gregory Roy. Okay, sounds like a husband and wife, or maybe a brother-sister duo, and there's a cat at the door. We'll just have to ignore that. And this is a book that talks about how you would go about maybe sorting ocean critters like fish if you don't know their genetics or their taxonomy. If you're a person who doesn't have access to the modern science paradigms and you just want to look at sea creatures and sort of this one goes with this one and this one goes with the other one, this is a great book that teaches you the very basic concept of how to separate things that live in the ocean. And I think one of the categories in here is like sea animals. And I don't care for that category because it's too broad, and fish is an animal. So, some people won't think it is, but it's an animal. So is an ant. Bugs are animals. Anyway, so yes, other than that, it is a good, sturdy book. It has a lot of pretty pictures in it, a lot of great, interesting images of fish and other things that live in the sea. So I think this might be a good book for your kid if they're into animals and they like fish. This is a great book for them. They'll learn a lot about the ocean. And again, this is the kind of book that builds the intellect of a child. It makes them better at science in the future, so it is a great book for that. There are points where it could be better, but all in all, this is a very solid book. But you know your child. It's not going to be for everyone. It may bore the heck out of some people. So you really want to bring this down and decide. Again, you can bring this to preschoolers. It is a very child-worthy book, but they may not understand it that well. It's a good book for their vernacular. Again, very sturdily built. White is not a good color for books that are for children because they get messy, but you get the idea. In any case, I enjoyed this book, though it could be better, not for every child. But that's just my opinion, and I'd love to hear yours down in the comments below. I am Richard Leland Neal.